So what is? You don't have a Bob Marley picture can put there. You don't have a Marcus Garvey can go there, so we're something there. Some little things were going on in a Jamaica country, not for work. I'm not telling you to get serious about it. Because what the people really serious about is them God life, you know. Them godliness, you know. You know what I'm telling you? So I'm trying to see them in a dance hall and over regular, so I do them little thing. It just works, so you know. People might deal with education, increase your literacy realms, alright? That's how it is. So we don't need the politicians to be acting as if they're blind, gerrymandering around the place. There's a lot of work to be done. Me I'm afraid now because reggae music, go you sit down and nigger ATI the girls on the beach, sexy girls on the beach. Reggae music dance, I'll go with the beach and the sunshine and the straw hat and you know what I mean? The beach is like them gone now. So if the beach is a cut left, we know we can. We never keep parties now, we never sing. That means that the beaches are cut, the mountains soon gone too. So we soon there, so barn here, and I not get no land, but stranger come here, come get land pass through. You know what I say, me a piece of land up there, so I try to get a piece of land. And before them give me the land, my barn here, you know, me a citizen, they move me. I either put themselves there, I put them friends, like, no, go so. Yeah? Your barn comes to everything here, everything for everyone. Stop move so. Share the money. You're not telling them, keep all the treasury of the nation. Don't go in that treasury, nobody. You ain't got to pay the tax. So much tax money I play on the road look bad like that. You don't think if you cut out. You know telling me certain things if you upgrade the country right now. We're not doing it, not supposed to biometric, not them signal, not microchip putting on the skin, you know. But you still got to advance and move with the age of technology. That's what I'm saying to you. So if you don't recognize that, you're going to be left and doomed to extinction. That's what it's all about. Alright, and hear me now. When we used to go to school, all of them, the editors, them people write the books, you know what I say? Them are batch against slavery hard. And I don't want the Prime Minister to be stepping in the way of slavery again. When our historian from there go primary school come up to high school and everything, them bash Miss Louise Bennett bash against Marcus Garvey. So Jamaica government fair move towards them own self. So if you tell me say I am a country, you want to come find I down here. I don't need you. I'm going to make my own culture currency or nanny currency or black people Jamaica or Yankee pound currency. If we have gold here, we need you for. So I go like, I'm afraid of nobody, man. Nobody now come dig up around here and dig up the thing. And when I get no land for me picnic up and plus you want to come dig up to get I try not try that. Do not touch it. Don't go up to the Catholic country territory. Keep out of the Maroon territory. I don't want to Maroon. You hear me say? I'm not talking about culture catch slave and culture take with slave and put in a female and tick it up and hot top Babylon. What I talk about? See there, you can sing about red, gold and green, you can sing about red, black and green. A lot of things you can sing about and get rich. The legal way of making money. Bitcoin and come on the government now so the babies don't forget Bitcoin. You can't live on a trust. Young parents, them get to know when they are 20 and when they are 90 they are going to the land. That time you are 70, back then. Cut out them slavery attitude, them colonial things there, alright? That's why they use them and singing their music now as they make money, them get rich, them build house, the car one. Them every day them have to fresh up and smell good and look good enough. And that's the thing that the next thing some little kids know so them parents name upon the will or the insurance and you want to kill the parents forget the money. That's the next part I think. What go on? Eh? No found all of the love do I go up and sell the phone and them look. So them go for ban TikTok one day. Eh? Suppose you never have a cellular phone and them something. See me? We don't have no courtesy, we don't have no love, no hospitality, right there. And that's something we need in a Jamaica. And I'm serious about the land still. Run with Maroon. Yo, run the rhythm. I think serious. I don't want to get mad. Run it. Bless the minister. Yeah? Hey! Let's go! Never sing a new song, bro! Yeah, take it up! Take it up! Sorry, I beg. Call the Maroon, the Maroon. Sorry, I beg. Get it straight, and I'm not the fake. I got to one the matches 1738. Some them, some me say I bread them bread. No Maroon round here, I'm a slave. No get for you to be better, I'm a slave. See me now go swing, see me now go swing. Before we touch the stage, show them Kolonji bed. See Rastafari, they keep it fresh. And you never know when you know your stage. Until they hear and bust about it. Make them know, say that we have to be bad. Pick up everybody, so be a bit animal. And he said, that comes in here. Alright, they could never ambush, cut up, ambush them. No, in a living, they cut to push them. You don't know what they say, go read the book then. And listen to your grandparents. That time they tell a repatriation. Some of them are run down the money. That time they tell a no separation. Some of them both are too funny. Yeah. This is some fire. Next one.
No,
I don't like to pretend. I think your heart is so dead. So can you just sit down? I don't like to pretend. Heart is so, heart is far good. I'm like, well then, let them tell me break from the negative. Life is fun, I'm not with it. So you really want to think you're fine with it. Second get back, with all the things on the middle. From the second, we got to do it. Some cooking, that man, yeah, so maybe you sexy, I know time to pretend, I've been in a past now, and if you're artist, all these forward, but it's saying that it's maybe you sexy, I know time to pretend, I've been in a past now, and if you're artist, yeah, Rastafari, thank you. Okay. Big up all nice and decent people. Once again, I want to say thank you very much for listening. Okay. Like I said, reggae music is not just only a sound, but it's a symbol that represents our struggle, our resilience, our resistance against the colonial ways. Have fun. Okay. Hey. Yes, you got to be strong. Can't feel the passion. I said the world is out there. I got to work too long. Yes, you got to be strong. And feel the blessing. I said the world is out there. New tune. Jump over your top, on the so. Chuck two friends, chuck in a river. Come out on the other side, it makes sense. I'm gonna hold me as no slave. Sleep out of the end. Yo, me, I think that you stop from pretending. Slave with your bag, you need dollars and the cents. You need a skyscraper when black people in a trench. Give me back me gold and me diamond, me no friend. Give me back Africa, me not talk again. Cut your job. Cut your job. Cut your job. Pull up around the one. That one on name, cut your job. Run it again. Big up the harmony singers. Hey! Yeah! When I remind me about the way that the trees. Yeah. You still got to be strong and feel the best you have. I said the world is out there under your place. I got to wait too long. Yes, you got to be strong and feel the passion. I said the world is out there under your place. Wanna know the verse, music? Jump over your chuck two friends, chuck in the river. Come out on the other side, it makes sense. When I come here as no slave, a freedom fighter to the end. You're not gonna leave your sodomy from black people expense. Slave labor, they don't need dollars and cents. You need a skyscraper with black people.